everyone, welcome back to It's Natsy's Kitchen. Today I'm gonna be making a pineapple gateau cake. Now this cake is made without butter, so without further ado, let's get started. First, let's make our pineapple stew. Into a saucepan over low heat, add in the water, pineapple chunks, sugar, and give it a mix. Then increase the heat to medium and bring it to a boil. Once it starts to boil, reduce the heat to low and simmer this mixture until the juice has reduced. There should be some juice left. Bring the mixture to room temperature and refrigerate until use. Now let's make the cake. Into a large bowl, add in the egg whites and beat until stiff peaks form. You should be able to turn your bowl upside down and nothing should be coming out from it. Then gradually add in the sugar while beating. Then add in the yolks, and vanilla. Now into a bowl, add in the flour and baking powder and give it a mix. Then fold in the dry ingredients into the wet ingredients in 3 batches. Pour the batter into a cake pan lined with parchment paper. Spread evenly, tap, and bake. Do the toothpick test and we're done. Now I'm dividing the cake into 2 layers and poke the first layer using a fork. Get some pineapple juice from the stew and spread it evenly. Now I'm using my whipped frosting and I'll put the link in the description box down below, along with a few chunks of pineapple, and then place the second layer of cake on top and repeat the process. Refrigerate the cake and we're done. Make sure to check out the description box down below for the ingredients and click over here to subscribe, and I'll see you guys next week with another amazing recipe. Bye bye!